welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Well, today I'm going to be making one of my many favorite side dishes, sweet corn pudding. I love this dish, it's super quick to make, and it's pretty much a no-fail recipe. I like to make mine with a little bit of buttermilk. Now this buttermilk will add just a little bit of tang, but it will balance so perfectly with the sweetness of the corn. I hope you'll give this a try. It's simple, it's good, you're going to want to make it. Check it out.